Too big, too heavy. When something is excessive, we use too. T-O-O. This shelf is too high. Stickman is too short to reach it. But with this stool, he is high enough. Enough means sufficient. Look at these pancakes. There are too many. He has too much food. Now he has enough pancakes. This is just the right amount. Be careful with money. If you spend too much, you won't have enough left. Notice the position. Too goes before adjectives. This shirt is too long. This shirt is too big. But enough usually goes before nouns. He has enough shirt. Wait, that's not right. Let's try it again. Too big, adjective, but big enough, adjective. Practice makes perfect. You now know enough to use too and enough. Subscribe for more.